In this video, we're going to share all the best tips on what to do on a trip to Anna Maria Island with kids. Things to do, attractions, restaurants, and everything to help you make the most of your family vacation. So let's go! Anna Maria Island is a true paradise in Florida for families looking for peaceful days with their kids. The island has a very family-friendly vibe, calm beaches, charming streets, and it's perfect for relaxing and enjoying nature. One of its greatest advantages is how laid-back everything is. There are no tall buildings, the rhythm is slow, and it truly feels like a small coastal village from a movie. The main beach is Anna Maria Beach, with calm waters, white sand, and plenty of space for kids to play safely. There are showers, restrooms, and shaded areas. And best of all, there's no entrance fee or parking fee. Another great beach for families is Manatee Public Beach, located further south on the island. It has excellent facilities, including a restaurant, playground, restrooms, and lifeguards on duty. Parking is free, and right next door is the cafe on the beach, where you can enjoy breakfast or lunch with your feet in the sand. In the late afternoon, a great idea is to head to the Rod and Reel Pier, a traditional pier with a restaurant and incredible ocean views. Entry is free, and it's a great spot for sunset photos with the kids. And for those who are new here, welcome to our channel. Our mission is to help you travel more and better around the world. If you're enjoying this, subscribe and like the video. It really helps us out. One activity that kids love is going kayaking or paddleboarding through the island's canals and mangroves. Rentals are available by the hour, and it's a peaceful ride where you might spot manatees or even dolphins. Rental prices are about $30 per hour. Another hit is the dolphin and wildlife boat tours. These tours last about 2 hours and cost around $35 per person. You should also visit Bean Point, on the island's northern tip. It offers one of the most beautiful views in the area. The beach there is more natural and untouched, with no facilities, but it's perfect for walking, watching pelicans, and relaxing with the kids. Bring an umbrella, water, and snacks, since there are no stores nearby. In the description below, we'll leave the link to the website where we buy all our tickets and tours. It's the biggest site in the world and has practically everything. We always find the lowest prices there, and you can pay in any currency to save even more on fees. They also offer excellent free tours in every city. And remember, with the link below, we organize everything you need to plan your trip at the best price. Travel SIM card, travel insurance for half the price, attraction tickets, great and affordable hotels we've stayed in, cheap car rentals, and a global account to carry your money with fewer fees. The links already come with automatic discounts and are always updated, so save and use this page to make your trip easier. When it's time to eat, a great family option is Duffy's Tavern, which serves burgers and simple meals in a super casual setting. Prices are great, with meals around $15. Another popular restaurant is the Sandbar Restaurant, which has tables right in the sand and a beautiful ocean view, perfect for a sunset meal with the kids. Main dishes average around $25, and there are plenty of kid-friendly choices. For dessert, stop by 2 Scoops Ice Cream, a charming local ice cream shop with dozens of flavors and generous portions for about $6. For lodging, the best area to stay with kids on Anna Maria Island is in the north, near Pine Avenue. That's where you'll find shops, cafes, the main beach, and you can do everything on foot. A great hotel option is the Anna Maria Beach Resort, with spacious rooms, a pool, and a fantastic location. Another excellent choice is the Tortuga Inn Beach Resort, located in the center of the island, with easy beach access, great facilities, and family-sized accommodations with a kitchen. We created a personalized map that shows exactly where to stay. If you're in that area, you can't go wrong. We'll leave the link to this map in the video description and in the first comment. We made it using the hotel booking site we always use, because it always has the best prices. You can enter your travel dates and check all hotel options in that location. We'll also leave links to the hotels we've stayed at. One is very affordable and well located. The other is more upscale and slightly more expensive. Both are great. A very important tip is to book early. The sooner you book, the cheaper your stay will be. That's why we love this site. In addition to having the best prices, it offers free cancellation for most hotels. You can book early and cancel later if needed, totally free. A great day trip from Anna Maria is to Sarasota, just 45 minutes away by car. There, you can visit the Moat Marine Laboratory and Aquarium, with sharks, turtles, and educational exhibits that kids love. Another suggestion is to spend the day at St. Armand's Circle, an open-air shopping and dining area with a nearby beach that's perfect for families. In the video description, we'll leave the link to the site where we always book these tours. It's a great option. And for those who are new here, welcome to our channel. Our mission is to help you travel more and better around the world. If you're enjoying this, subscribe and like the video. It really helps us out. Some important tips for traveling to Anna Maria Island with kids. Summer is very hot, with temperatures over 35 degrees Celsius, so bring sunscreen, hats, light clothing, water, and snacks. The island is small, but having a car makes it much easier to move between neighborhoods and beaches. An excellent tip is to pick up your car directly at Tampa or Sarasota Airport, the closest ones. That way, you avoid the cost of taxis or transfers to the island, and it saves time since you won't need to go to a rental office later. And remember, booking online in advance is always much cheaper and guarantees your car. If you liked this video, like and subscribe to our channel to keep traveling more and better around the world. Thank you so much and have a great trip.